Majesty, the Queen Bee.
You, and you give me, and I take that. But that's my hat. And you give me. Now let me see. And that's the way life's meant to be.
A needle and thread, is that what you said? I could let you have 'em for one slice of... Yeah, give it a rest. Although, for my dear old mum, I'd even give up my last slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey.
Here!
Hey, I'm following my feelings. I'm an internationally renowned crocodile washer, which is why I'm allowed to wash myself. When Tom came along, he caught sight of the crocodile.